In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy games on Steam with gift card. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer and signing in. In the top right corner, click your username to open the account menu. Then choose Account Details. On the page that appears, look for the Store and Purchase History section and select Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Here, click Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Type the code from your card or email exactly as shown. You usually don't need to include hyphens, but pay close attention to look-alike characters and avoid extra spaces. When you are ready, click Continue. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation and your Steam wallet balance will update right away. Here is also an alternative way to redeem. From the top menu bar, click Games and then redeem a Steam wallet code. It leads to the same redemption field, so just enter the code and continue. This route is handy if you are already browsing the store and want to add funds quickly. With your wallet funded, it's time to buy a game. Head to the store, search for the title you want, and open its page to review details, system requirements, and any current discounts. When you are ready, click Add to Cart. Then proceed to checkout. At checkout, choose Steam Wallet as your payment method. If your wallet balance covers the full price, including taxes, you'll see the total paid entirely with your balance. If it doesn't, Steam may prompt you to add another payment method to cover the difference. So consider selecting a game within your available funds or adding another gift card before completing the purchase. Agree to the terms shown, including the Steam subscriber agreement and any refund policy prompts, and then click Purchase to finish. A few helpful tips before we wrap up. Wallet codes and some games can be region restricted. So make sure your code matches your account's region. If you get an error that a code is invalid or already used, double check for typos and contact Steam support or your retailer if needed. Occasionally, Steam may ask for a billing address to calculate taxes. That's normal if your balance doesn't appear right away. Refresh the app and look near your profile name for the updated amount. Once the purchase is complete, your new game will appear in your library, ready to install and play. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.